Hey guys, welcome to Forex Family Empire. We're back again with another video. It's your boy K Smalls. Happy New Year, guys. 2023. We're gonna kill the market together. So, guys, today I just want to show you how to check the news, how to check fundamentals, basically on investing.com. So, if you want to know which powerful events are going to come tomorrow, today, or next week, I use this one. This is the platform that I use to check all the news. So without wasting any more time, let's get right into it, guys. So basically, first of all, what you need to do, I go to investing.com on my browser, and then it led me to this page. So the first thing that I need to do after going to this page, you need to go and click on calendar here. Do you see where it says economic calendar, not the earnings calendar? You need to click on the economic calendar. So you click on the economic calendar, so it's going to land you to the next page, which is giving you all the events that will be happening here. But remember, guys, all we need is the powerful events, the events that always moves the market. Your events like NFP, your events like CPI, your events like Fed interest rate, your FOMC, the ones that we always trade together, guys. We analyze the charts. I look at this event and then I analyze the charts. So basically, afterwards, what you need to do here, you need to come here on the filter side. After the filter side, you click on the filters, and then you go down, and then you specify that you need events that are powerful with 3 stars. You see, we have got the importance here. They say the first one has 1 star, the second one has 2 stars, the third one is the ones that moves the market too much, which is the events that has 3 stars. So we're filtering everything to 3 stars events, and then when it comes to the countries, we leave it as default countries, because we basically focused on specific countries. So we need Germany, especially the USDs. That's the ones that we need, guys. So you just come and click here and then click apply. So this will basically filter the events based on your 3 bulls. So after here, do you see the time frame here? I'm in South Africa right now, right? So if you are in China, you are in France, you are in Nigeria, you select the time zone that you're basically in, so that you don't wait for me to post the video. You're always on time, right, guys? Because I see on my YouTube channel, I've got a lot of people coming from Nigeria. Shout out, guys. A lot of people from India. Shout out, guys, as well there. And also my people from South Africa, I say shout out to you guys as well. So after what you did there, you need to come here on the current time zone. I'm in South Africa right now. I'm going to select the time zone of Johannesburg. So select the time zone that is most relevant to you here. So I'm going to select mine, and then today it will show me all the events. So it shows me that today it's a holiday in South Africa. Even in the USA, we've got a lot of holiday. Even in Japan, Hong Kong, holidays everywhere, guys. So this is today, guys. We're seeing German manufacturing PMI today coming in at 10:55. I think it already passed, because right now it's already 12 o'clock, guys. So I'm not trading, guys, this week. I might trade NFP. I'm going to trade NFP actually, yeah. So basically, if you want to see what's going to be happening this week, you can click on tomorrow and you'll see what's happening tomorrow, and then you can click on this week and then you will see what's happening on this week. So from this week, Tuesday, January 3, 2023, we have got this um, uh, 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 fundamentals. So these fundamentals, we've got German CPI year on year. Um, this doesn't move the market that much, but I don't trade them too much. And then on Wednesday, 4th of January, we've got the FOMC meeting minutes here. So it comes at 9, and I always tell you guys that the FOMC minutes, when they come like this alone without the Fed interest rate, the market doesn't move that much, guys. So you need to be careful when you trade this on Wednesday. So I'm not going to be trading this, I'm not going to be trading this. So I'll pass on Wednesday and I'll pass on Tuesday tomorrow. And on Thursday, guys, this is where we're going to be looking and trying to analyze the market before for non-farm payroll. And then I'll know, guys, just stick to the channel, and then I'll be showing you how I analyze the market and telling you the market direction that I'll be taking throughout the Friday results. So on Friday, we've got this ADP non-farm employment as well. It coming at 15.15. I'm not gonna trade this. You can trade the initial jobless claim. It moves the market, guys. The initial jobless claim. This is what I can trade. If you just want to take some pips there before the NFP. So I might trade that tomorrow, and then on Friday, on the 6th of January 2023 is the big day, guys. So the big day is on Friday 2023, 6 January. So we'll be trading the unemployment rate is coming there with together with the non-farm payroll there as well at 3:30 same time. We also have the CAT share employment change. We saw what it did on our last video there. I gave you the direction for CAT JPY. Everything went according to our plan, guys, according to our analysis. You know, we don't just say buy or sell. We give you proof, we give you an tactical analysis, we give you fundamental analysis as well. So we'll be trading on Friday and Thursday, guys. So Thursday I'll be trading initial jobless claims, and then on Friday I'll be trading NFP and the employment change. I'll make sure that I send analysis before, guys. So yeah, this is what's going to be happening this week up until the 6th of January. Let's see what's going to be happening next week, guys. So we'll check it until next week. So next week we don't have much happening. So much on next week Monday, we've got a holiday in JPY there, and then we've got the AUD news. This ones they don't move the market that much, and then here's that. The news fundamentals that change people's lives, guys. So you need to make sure that you've got your accounts funded, ready for this news, which is the core CPI. It's coming on Thursday, 12th of January 2023. So be ready, guys. I'll be sending you analysis before the news, and I'll be live also trading this one's live as well. So make sure you fund your accounts, make sure you are ready. You're going to be trading with the Forex Family Empire. We're making this money together in 2023. In 2023, we got no time to talk, guys. We have more time to make money. If you are here to talk, you just keep quiet, guys. Make money. I want to see results this month. I want to see results from January up until December. So we're gonna kill 90% of the fundamental, guys. Just stick with the channel. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe to this channel, hit that bell notification, and every time when I post you're gonna get notified. Timing is perfect, guys. Every time when I post and then you watch the video quicker, the quicker you watch the video, the better it is, guys. So yeah, I'll see you on another video, and happy new year, guys. Peace.